Trott HQ. First one of the day, returning client. Young girl with her lovely little MT07. This is the second one of these she's had. This is in for one of our full Monty Valet specials. We got 25 pounds off, so she's taking advantage of it. We're gonna do every nook and cranny of this bike's gonna get a little attention. We're gonna service that chain, clean those wheels, polish the front of that exhaust up, get all those calipers, everything's sorted out, get it looking like it should. And we'll get a little XCP corrosion protection on it, making sure to keep it protected for the months ahead. Let's get cracking, let snow foam on it, loosen up all these contaminants, then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some proper detailing. Okay, this stunning little MT07 is just about done. We have polished those exhausts up like new, painted the little bar here that was all corroded, a little XCP corrosion protection, all the exhaust underneath has been polished. Not much I can do with this bodywork. We have wiped it over with a ceramic infused polish. Like I said, all the motors been XCP, chain's been serviced. I'm actually going to put a little ceramic on these wheels. She didn't ask for any ceramic, and I'm not going to charge her any extra, but these wheels are so nice. I think they need a little protection on them. So we're just going to wipe those down with an alcohol mixture, and then I'm going to treat them with some signature 4K ceramic. So this should make them nice and easy to keep clean and should protect them from any burnt on brake dust. So let's wipe those down with a bit of alcohol, and then we'll stick some ceramic on them. All right, wheels have been wiped down with an alcohol mixture just to remove any contaminants. Now we're just going to put a few drops of this Signature Pro. This is a 5-year ceramic. So yeah, a few drops on this little pad here. We'll wipe those down, give it a few minutes to cure, and then buff it off, and they will be properly protected. Stunning little bike. There you go, this stunning little MT07 has now been fully trotted. Another Trott full Monty Valet in the books. This is a £25 discount offer for the month of March. You don't necessarily have to get your bike done in March. If you book it, pay a deposit, you can do it in April. We will still give you that £25 off offer. This has had, like I said, one of our full Monty Valets. We've done a little extra with the ceramic on those wheels. Exhaust all polished, chain service, XCP, everything is included in a full Monty Valet. I said this is a matte finish, so we didn't do any polishing on that, but we have put a ceramic infused polish on it. What a stunning little bit of kit. Don't forget, £25 off. You can book your bike. Don't have to get it done this month, but if you book it, pay a £25 deposit, we will give you that discount. Get yours booked in now, 07966 249 963.